Hey guys, the TechFo here, and today we're going to be reviewing the cheapest new tablet on Amazon. There are a couple. There's some used Kindle Fires and other tablet that's a little cheaper, but they're used. This is the cheapest new one at $43. It's from AllDayMall. It's 7 inches. It has 8 gigabytes of storage. It can support a 32 gigabyte card. It's from 3,000 milliamps to 3,200 milliamps. Has cameras. It has a 1.3 gigahertz all-winner A33. It's really just the basic of the basic. In fact, I don't even know how much. It has 512 megabytes of RAM. So this is not your next iPad Pro. It's the third generation. That's what this says on their thing. 7-inch tablet. I got it in blue for fun. I think this is more, they make a kid's tablet, but, this is more for just like, if you want to get your grandmother a tablet that you can Skype on or something. I don't know. It doesn't need no data, it just needs something basic. So you've got a power brick. The nice thing about it is this, compared to other cheap tablets, is that it actually is a USB one, so it can be used for something else. And a micro USB cable. Pretty basic. Also got a little micro USB to USB, and a second charging port, probably the faster charging port. I don't know why they add two, but it's nice that they have so many accessories in here. Oh my god. This is like the generic tablet look. It's just there we go. Screen's no AMOLED. It feels so cheap and plasticky. Got a TF card slot. Got up and down. You've got the DC. This is the 5-volt. This is the normal micro USB. You've got mic. You've got a camera. You've got the little speaker down there. The A88X. China, of course. Front-facing camera. And then here you've got simple tablet guide. Just something there. A bunch of different languages, so yeah. Okay, so I've got a stand for it. Let's turn it on. Oh, that looks like Android 4.2 or something. Oh, Jesus. Oh, that's definitely like 4.4 or something. Oh, that speak. It's 4.4 Kit Kat. Oh, you didn't have to set it up at first. Oh, that screen. Okay. Nope, service. Oh, it's probably one of those things where they support with this guy some little connector where you can put a SIM card in. Oh my god. So you end up having I couldn't even do that. So what tablets will do is they'll say 8 gigs of memory, and they'll say yeah, we've got some was used up by Android, and that's what's there. But half of it, or 412 gigabytes of it, is in a micro SD card, which you can't move all storage to. So it actually is a 4 gigabyte tablet with a 4 gigabyte micro SD card. So misleading advertising. Ah, my gosh, those are just the worst that do that. But hey, you're paying $40. Can't really get much. It comes fully charged, which is nice. You can instantly get it set up. 8X, quad-core, 1.4.2. Display. Oh my god. First of all, I'm going to set that to like 10 minutes. It's good. You get a very basic experience. You know, it's the basic Android. Shop. Oh, comes with CM Lite. That's the only two normal, essentially like pre-installed applications here. Or security. I mean, you know, it's nice to have. Got a calculator. You got, oh yeah, the camera. Booted up decently fast. Okay. So. Oh my lord. Now let's take a photo of the iPad. For another photo. Yeah, I record with an iPad. I don't have something nice. Let's take a picture of the box. And oh my lord. Well, I'm amazed that it has cameras, really. Got video too, so how do I, oh. So yeah, that's for some basic Skype calling. Okay, so viewing angles, not great. I mean, you really can't. I mean, there's only a few things you'd work. You wanted to put at a site, you like a restaurant, you say you got a keyboard case, people can instantly put a review on Yelp. You want to use this for like security cameras or something, which will probably end up being used. Want to get this for a 4 or 5-year-old, just a basic little thing to watch videos on. You put a micro SD card there and download stuff, or you get them a few basic games. Nothing 3D, mind you. This probably, it says it can support it, but it's got 512 megabytes of RAM. And for somebody like a grandmother or something, that you just want a very basic thing. Because, you know, yeah. So, I mean, it's got Bluetooth, you know, that's nice. I really can't say anything about this. The nice thing about it is that its UI is actually pretty smooth. Screen feels like shit when you use it, and the plastic feels crappy, but, you know, it runs smooth. They use the older version, so there's much less stuff for that little RAM to be using. I mean, yeah. Let's see what Antutu and Geekbench tell us about this guy.